Saved territories is a feature within RPData that allows you to define a specific geographic area on a map by drawing shapes, and then run searches on this area, allowing you to produce reports on a specific area easily and quickly. To create a new saved territory, click Save Territories on the homepage, and then select Create. Alternatively, you can click on the notification bell and select Save Territories. Here, you can use the hand tool to drag and move the map, the plus and minus buttons to zoom, or the magnify search button to enter an address, suburb, or postcode to further refine the area in which you would like to create your territory. Next, begin drawing your shape by clicking on the Draw Shape tool. The cursor will change to a plus icon. Now you can click on the map to add your first point. Continue to click for all the points bordering your territory shape. Click and drag any of the points to change their location. You can click and drag to move the map while in Draw Shape mode. The Undo button will remove the last change, and the Redo button will add back the removed change. The Rubbish bin will remove the whole shape and allow you to start again. Once you're happy with the shape, give your territory a name to easily identify in the future, and save. This will take you to the search results, which are all the properties within the drawn shape. Please note there is a limit of 10,000 property records in each territory, and there is a limit of 25 saved territories per user. If you need to make changes to a saved territory, from the Saved Territory search results, click Edit Territory to re-enter the map and shape editing tool. And that's the basics of creating saved territories in RPData.